Skan tikpat labi angliski kā latviski. Es dziedāšu latviski. Pirmo pantu, tad angliski, tad otro pantu tāpat. Zem mūsu kājām vilces uz Latvijas uz Mēs soļojam drošību Žardenes paklasim mums Senāja varoņu labi Nāk līdzi kalantiem Mēs nāksim drīz Latvijā gaidi Un nesīsim brīvību tev Kas mums dārgā un mēs ejam Priekšu tik daudz pavēlu Mēs nedrīkstam Beneath our feet, the road is long to Latvia and leads to Latvia where the enemy destruction and fury. But we're marching with courage and honor. Our weapons are always held high. Our memory of our fathers who were fallen. Stay with us, so we shall never die. We're coming, Latvia, be patient. We'll bring freedom and liberty to you. Everlasting, and we're marching and marching. Forward advancing, we can't afford to delay. Mums viena doma sirdika par tavu zemi stāv. Un nežēlīgam neidmatam likt visu atmaksāt. Mēs šauteniem liksim te nosviet un klājātiem nepriekam. Bet par sevi stāvim uz brīdi, ložas vilpieniem ar balsi saukt. Mēs ticam trīs Latvijas zvaigznēm, lai ilgoties mūžas krustā. Mūžos un mēs ejam un ejam, priekšu tik tāds un pavēlu mēs nedrīkstam. The only God within our hearts for Latvia we stand. And to get revenge on the enemy, we have to take our stand. Our grenade launchers are really blazing. Our machine gun will let this thing get blown. And the memories that we're with the hell the banners of our nation. And they shine with bright glorious light. Everlasting, and we're marching and marching and forward advancing. We can't afford to be late. Paldies! Tā augstmā ģitāra noskanās. Jāizstāvās. Retreat. The cold like the bodies, the worst was the pain of defeat. Many people would hail them once their time and looked away. These people now knew that the best is on his way. And the snow covered the dreams of ideals, and the snow freezing the blood in the wheels, and the snow fell. They had to keep on for survival, and the snow fell. And to feel the peace on arrival, you finally came back to the borders of your fatherland. Now enemies came, oh, traitors everywhere. Many people who had fought and died knew that they had to win. But yes, at this moment, I see the picture of the red flag in my land. snow fell. Come the dreams and ideals, and the snow fell. Feeling the blood of the wheels, and the snow fell. They had to keep warm for survival, and the snow fell. And defeated the beast's only rivals. Yeah, defeated the beast's only rivals. Defeated the beast's only rivals. Good. Labi, man pirksti sasaluši. Jāuzsilda višķi. Un tagad iedos runu nākamajam. Es gribētu informēt. Neskan. Viens. Gribētu informēt klātesošos, ka Nacionālās padomes sajiet decembra 1. svētdienā, 12. Smiļģu muzejā. Tā saka, pat interesanti var ierasties. Ārā nedzīsim. Ej, paši.